Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So where to begin again as gold hits another record high, just fading back slightly but gearing up again as Donald Trump rolls out his uncertain tariff plan and their impact on the global economy. It's looking likely that we will be hitting record high after record high in the foreseeable future, holding nicely above 3,200 for now, but we're just seeing what the next big news event will be. Trump did say on Sunday he'll be announcing the tariff plans on semiconductors and pharmaceutical products as well. So lots to take into account here, but gold shot up 1/10% over the weekend, and it's still looking likely that it will keep on pushing as well. Like I said, holding nicely above 3,200 now, and actually reaching 32.45, roughly around that area. So just dropping off slightly, but naturally it was going to have a bit of a breather before moving again, potentially to another record. So with the RSI hitting a nice long-term bearish divergence at the moment, we're expecting a bit of a slowdown on the yellow metal price action, but obviously we'll be looking at this next particular area before. I mean, the momentous moves that we've been seeing over the past few trading sessions has been phenomenal, but obviously it is really driven by Donald Trump's trade war, you could call it. And if we just bring it out to the one daily chart, as you can see here, really momentous pushing for the yellow metal, and it's looking like it's not going to slow down anytime soon. You know, with the uncertainty that's happening in the world, it's looking likely that we will be hitting fresh high after fresh high. But most importantly, it's pretty much ignoring these peaks on the oscillators that we have, the MACD, the RSI. It's looking likely that we will be hitting another record before we know it. We're just waiting to see how much of the dollar is going to be weakened by these trade tariffs, and also what the Fed is going to think as well. Because if we look on the DXY index, the Dixie, a momentous drop, and more importantly, below the $100 area. Just mark that out at the moment. So we're trading underneath that at the moment. So we haven't seen that for quite some time. We have to go. Well, we had a bit of a dip in last July. Well, not even last 2023, but before that, we were trading under this particular area in the 2022, the early part of 2023. So multi-year low at the moment, and not really looking likely that it's going to recapture any of these particular highs in the near term, at least, especially with all the uncertainty going on. So what are you trading on? Let me know what you think. Are we going to have a recession around the corner? Are we going to have more of a dip on the dollar? And where do we go here next for gold? Because as I said, bringing it back on the daily chart, really, really far back now, and we haven't seen this kind of momentous upswing in quite some time. Very much consolidated during the pandemic for 2021, 2022. But since then, as you can see here, broke above 2,000 and then just kept on pushing higher and higher. So, $1,000 jump in a year. Can we get another $1,000 jump this year? It is possible, and it most likely is probable, but we'll have to wait and see what the next outcome is for President Donald Trump, because he is holding all the cards at the moment to drive gold to further record highs. So let me know what you think. Like I said, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.